now starting to blow. And of course you don't see too much, but yeah, it's coming. Let me show you the other side of the house. Yikes.
Washington and Oregon, there is a buoy. Buoy 29, they call it. And that's 65 in red is a gust clocked at 65 miles per hour.
Yeah, here's the front of the house. Here we go. We're getting a good one now. Yeah. Sheesh. Yeah, well, anyway, yeah, it's just starting. It's just starting. Well, it's blowing now. Hello. Wait, more? Here we go. Well, you get the idea.